Welcome to Spellbinder's May 2024 Small Die of the Month called Tropical Friend. Here's a look at the dies included in this kit. We have dies to create a toucan. There are multiple pieces to allow you to cut your birds from various colors of cardstock. You can also add ink blending to create shading on your die kits. We also have dies to create a parrot. Same as with the toucan, there are multiple pieces that can be cut from colored cardstock to create beautiful multicolor parrots. Other dies included in this kit are Anthurium, Monstera leaf, Philodendron leaf, branches, and a flower. Let's make a card. Dry emboss a panel of fruit punch cardstock using our May 2024 3D embossing folder. Cut the panel to 4¼ by 5½ inches. We're making an A2 card. Intensify the color on the background by adding pink and yellow ink blending to the panel. Use our large blending brushes to quickly apply color to the background. Create a sentiment using our May 2024 clear stamp and die of the month. Create a scene using our adorable die kits. Embellish your card with aura sequins and enjoy. Thank you for joining Spellbinders Club Kids. Have fun creating.